I cut that dope at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she love my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Woman for a show up verse, and I'm coming with that line cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on cause I'm trying to put his mom in.
Yeah. They didn't believe when I said I was raw. When I walk in the store, bitch, I gotta cash out. Her pay to be matching my mouth when I moved out Chaffee into a big house. Rather than renting the works, I remember that day with that friend of that out. I told him keep grinding, stay focused, ain't gotta be humble, but long as it counts. My bitch got the stick again, and she a hooker, nigga, like a fisherman. I done ran up hella bands, got them racks coming straight from Michigan. I'm hotter than a firefighter, he in love with the bitch, I just fuck out, never wife her. They say I'm idolized, this bitch drunk and she rolling like a big tire. Keep them cameras on me, ain't no red carpet, but the bitches on me. I'll never trust her home, I stay in my bag, so I keep a couple comments on me. Ain't be slamming out, just some young niggas stuck in the drought. Keep from flashing out, I stay on that level trying to keep from crashing. I'm straight out that mud, bitch, I came from the boot. If you ain't had nothing, then you gon' drink too. I just be watching and doing what they do in a trap like a normal, may whip up a coupe. Spun around the block cause I gotta reload it. I got the bitch strapped to me so I can tote it. Know the bitch serious, so I barely can't hold it. If I let this bitch loose, it may knock off my shoulder. Everybody got sticks like it's drumline. Bitch, I'm 10 toes on the front line. How you choose a pen over bad dime? If I kick those, I'ma get mine. Back in the gym, bitch, I'm trying to get strong. Big bro in the fence, but it still got a phone. Depleted, they giving me him and head gone. I clean up my bank, so I don't think they got no cats out
Nobody here.
I don't think they got no cats. Everybody. Really? Oh, yeah, just everybody, really.
That's who it is. I was wondering. I was like, that vet looks familiar. Like that vet looks familiar. I was wondering. That's not sucking away. So what did Headers tune yet or no? Come on, bro, you get a tune. Both sides.
Facts. That way it runs off the exhaust.
To both sides.
Yep. That's what I'm planning. You going with Hellion?
Hellion or on 3? Well, I guess they're the same. Look.
Right.
Big bang. Sitting right there. Big track. Hey, you hear me? Hey, big tracks, big Z06, big YouTuber. It's sitting there right here at the bottom. You dig?
Bro, I will wax the shit out of you.
The meet and greet.
Jumping cam
Right.
heads and headers and you're waxing anything. Stop, bro, you're not. No.
He's hard. Like, get that convertible back. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, you always ready for the camera, huh?
I'm always ready for the camera.
Hey,
man.
professional YouTuber right here.
Pinto.
Where Peek at? Where his car at?
Oh, no.
Remember Peek?
Long tube headers.
Nah, hell yeah.
His is clean though, man.
Well, not really. He kind of got soft.
Always ready for the camera. It's I don't plug myself out.
I thought it was a
30
Geo
times.
Metro from the distance.
That's the cutest thing I've seen all. Church's chicken on Grand.
Yep.
It's like, there's like a fucking.
Oh, yep, in the road.
And you jumped it? I jumped that bitch.
On purpose?
Yeah.
Oh,
He said, I jumped that bitch.
Like 60.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We was pulling up. Everybody started walking up like
No,
this. I
facts.
was like,
Let
me get right real quick.
man. That's what I'm saying, bro. Everywhere we go.
Let his woman see the big track right there. Sound good. Got a little. I like that color.
Where's DP?
I wanted to of a wide body. Wide body. I have got no YouTube notifications yet, and I'm very pissed off.
DP,
You're pissed off?
Yes, bro.
DP got some,
Well, let me check.
some,
I was at 723 before we came up here.
some IG.
For real? I was at 723 before we came up here. I am now at. Let me go to the right out.
What are you at now? Let's
I am at 736.
You got some?
I was at 723 an hour ago. I'm at 736.
1K coming real soon.
1K coming real big. 1K.
Oh, we got a
Ooh,
charger.
is that Mr. Larry?
Nah, I doubt he'll come way up here.
Is that the marble one? That's my boy. Hold on. Looks similar. That's my boy right there. That's all. RT's gone, bro. Scat is gone.
That's hard.
Hey, I like that.
That's the one he put in our car. For real? He sold it. He got a truck. That's his car. I remember that whole. He did that rap.
Oh, yeah, he got look like a little bowling ball.
That's the same exhaust setup as your car.
Is it?
Oh, damn.
But
That's a cat, though.
Yours is just way louder.
That's a cat?
No, his is a Scat.
Oh, it's a Daytona.
No, it's a Daytona, yeah. There you go. That's the one, remember in the yellow, when I had the yellow Charger, when I was in Fayetteville? That's the one that I posted pictures with.
My scooter was over. Yeah. She got her wheel.
He from here.
He's from here. He's just a cat.
How you feeling?
Yeah. Hey, we out here, man. Whole lot of lit society shit going on. Make sure y'all follow the kid, KIINGSLEEPO, 2 I's, KIINGSLEEPO. Dope little turnout, man. You know what I'm saying? I thought Fayetteville was gonna bring out more toys than this. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say it's shit boxes, but it ain't no heat out here.
What you mean? You don't fuck with the Accord?
Like, if you see this video, I'm not dissing your shit, but me personally, no. Nah, I'm not fucking with it. Yeah, but I used to be there.
I fuck with this one right here, for sure.
Yeah, that bit hard. But that's just a lot of lit society shit, sure. Just like right here, lit society shit, lit society shit, lit society shit. Like Track Hawk, Zeo City, Hellcat. Yeah. Then we got another Hemi down there. Like lit society got a whole lot of heat.
Sleep was the king
Down and around like Bill on the
ground.
ground, no, Jack.
Hell yeah, man.
Okay.
I used to get credit. This shit hard. What up, y'all? Y'all know we out here, man. Just chilling.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, it's D Parts. It's D Parts, just straight across. Cold out here. I need to go over there, bro.
That's why I said I was gonna go to the crib and make sure, cause I knew tonight was gonna be a little. Yeah.
Nippy.
I think that dude from Touch somewhere. It's gonna be
Crazy.
Yeah, like how many like back to back? I'm talking about like nigga back to back that you see. Heat. It's like heat. God
Damn.
And now you like where they from? So now I'm
These niggas know each other.
Me check the Instagrams and shit. All right, look them up. Da. All right, we gonna subscribe. All that shit. If you go outside, you gotta be in the house.
You can build snowmans.
Kind of runny nose, bone.
No, man. Nigga, you want to be in the crib when it's cold.
Come on, man. Our superchargers needs
You
to
got
go.
arthritis and shit.
And I promise, like, just say, like, you slip and hit your knee or your finger. When your shit cold, that shit hurt 10 times worse.
See, our Hellcat engine, they run better in the cold.
Oh,
We
yeah.
get the power in the cold.
Yeah.
Me and you, we got these extra 30 horsepower.
Oh, I know, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a whole different monster.
I
ain't gonna lie.
I can feel it.
When we was pulling up here and like into the garage, I'm like, it ain't no way this shit gonna be even up here. Ain't nothing
That's
be
what
up
I
here.
said.
Then I turned
I said,
the
all them
corner.
cars down there.
As soon as we pull in, it's like, oh, but come on.
Exactly. Then I turned the corner. I'm just like, okay, so there's some people sitting down. There's some cars up there. I'm like, okay. And then when everybody did this, bro, this all you saw. We come around the corner, all you see is this. All you see is this. I was like, hey, showstoppers. Hey.
Everybody's got it. Like, ah, there you go. Finally, they show it up.
Facts.
Hey, D.
Yo. I'm gonna feel good over here.
Hold on. I had to come back to you. You just give me a lot of content. You're just hilarious. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, I get it from this man right here.
Tell me doing the goddamn thing.
Here's the fun. I got 3 lists. I got a list of 3 years of the funniest things he done said for the whole year. I can't read none of them, but just know they are hilarious.
He be writing gay jokes for himself.
Cow.
He's just a natural comedian. Like honestly, over there, whenever you turned around, it was perfect timing. Like we couldn't have done it better if we were scripted.
It's not. He's gonna make YouTube videos about it. He told me I'm charismatic. Mama, guess what they told me in the track meet?
Charismatic.
All right. Hey, I don't know that much about cars, so you're gonna have to walk me through.
Oh, this
and
one I got you. This is a. What year is this, Mike?
No, let's start with the shitty one. Let's start with mine first. And work your way up. Because if you start with a track car, you're like, oh, here's a basic RT.
No, it ain't basic. Big rap on it. Arc Raps did it. Half black, half white. The RT Challenger belongs to KIINGLEE_AML on Instagram. And the name of the car is Trixie. 275s all around. Lights around the west. I forgot where he got them from. Big 345 upgraded badges on the side. Hellcat wheels on it. I know y'all see them. What else we got? Full sunroof on there. What's the name of the logo on the back? What's the name of the logo?
I don't fucking know. I can print it the bitch.
Naruto logo on the back. Tough. We got, y'all know whose channel y'all on. Y'all on KIINGSLEEPO channel. But it's Sydney explaining the cars. We got a 20.
Oh, he got stuck.
10 and up.
Man started buffering.
He's lagging. Hold on.
All right, lag. Big Hellcat, you know, SRT, waffle maker on top. Wide body kit. Waffle kit. Wide body kit. What he got up here? He switched out the hood. I forgot what hood it is. I think it's the red eye hood. Car Club on the front windshield. Midnight Runners. What else we got? And then we got my car, 2018 Corvette Hellcat Z06 supercharged 6.2. Same motor as the Scat Pack. Their blower size is a lot bigger. You know, 707, 650 crank, 707 crank. Big stickers. Each sticker adds 5 horsepower. If y'all didn't know, each sticker adds 5 horsepower. And I got about 20 stickers on this thing. Hey, car's name Dracula, Big Drac, SK, Street Kings, Lit Society, Lit Society, Lit Society, official Lit Society. Go and get that. Tuned by JP sticker at the bottom, man. Bottom of the windshield. Big carbon fiber wing right here.
He got 2 wings. Stop playing with him.
Hella downforce. I want all the downforce. Let's go on. Let's keep moving down. Let's keep moving down. We got It's D Parks on IG. Follow him on IG. Excuse me, everyone. You good? There we go.
Don't forget to take left.
We got Big DP card. It's DP.
I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had this one. I love this one.
hard.
Like aesthetically, I just love looking at it.
Bro, this
like
blue wide body with the black pop. Where you at? DP 2021.
Yeah, 2021 wide body scat. I got it with 10,000 miles. You know what I'm saying?
Powered by SRT. Big SRT.
But you know, for all the fucking haters out there, it's SRT out there. If you got a fucking problem, come say something. Anyways, y'all gotta actually know this Mopar shit to really understand it. It's all broken up. Daytona 392, SRT 392, Scat Pack, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, it's the wide body.
In my opinion, man, if that say powered by SRT, it's an SRT.
Yeah.
I don't care. That's how I
I
feel.
say powered by SRC, but my dad's got a Hellcat logo.
Hey, that's got a Hellcat back there.
Yeah, but
And then we walking on down. We got Javine car down here. It's JMills _ on Instagram. Big 5'7". Custom stripes on there. One thing I like about these stripes. Let's get it right here. Right here. If you look at it from right here, you know, one thing I like about Javine car with the stripes, it ain't just 2 stripes. I think the black outline on the stripe really bring the stripe out. I really like it. It make it pop a little more if you ask me. And again, it's JMills _ on Instagram. Go follow him. Quit playing with him. And you know, Lit Society right there on the back, man. Lit Society right there on the back. Who else car we got? I think we did everybody.
Oh yeah, the Mustang.
We got Celine's car. We got the Ruby 1080R or 108R80.
What's this one called? You've had a name. You've had Ruby.
Ruby.
Oh, okay.
I think that's what he named his car, Ruby. He got the Euro tail lights, the option for the clear lights. It's loud. I know that. It's loud. It's a 10-speed. So them 10-speed Mustangs, it's the difference between them 8-speed and them 10-speeds. It's a 10-speed automatic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's what I was about to ask you.
yeah,
It's a manual?
Yeah, it's an automatic. 10-speed automatic, they run through gears a lot quicker. They punch through gears a lot quicker, and in turn makes them faster. You know, for the rest of that, you'll have to talk to Salim. I don't know what all exactly he got done to this car. I don't know if we're gonna slap a Lit Society sticker on the back, but we need to. I'm gonna bring one next time.
For real, he's the only one that's missing
He's
it.
the only one that ain't got one, and Aiden ain't got one. But Aiden live up here. We are in Fayetteville. Aiden live in Rogers. All of us live in Fort Smith, you know. But other than that, I think that's it. We're gonna catch up to y'all here in a minute. It's Sydney down here at the bottom.
hey, that's a good parking lot too.
I don't know what they used to do with that in Church.
It's right there at Ben Gary Park. You pass the water park and make that turn by the volleyball and go right there in the back, and then
They got a big field.
Was it a golf court? Golf course?
No, that's on the other side.
Go-karts.
Go-karts. Yeah.
But it was a parking lot right before
Yeah,
the
they took the
go-karts.
The go-kart's not there no more?
I think they sold it.
I know they was trying to sell
We
it.
don't got no golf.
Grand Slam shut down too.
Everything
I
shut
think they wanted like
They want $1 million.
like $1 million. I know it was like $1 million or $2 million.
They want $1 million.
I mean-
but you get everything now.
Yeah.
You get everything.
Which one is that? By the links?
Yep.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a bad investment though.
Not to bring it back. It would be good if
They're not gonna bring it back. They're gonna basically build it and turn Fort Smith into basically a senior citizen, you know, senior center. You know what I mean?
They want. They build.
I
Got
made one
cussed
today.
out so much. I feel bad for them.
Right.
Hey, that's because shit,
bad for him.
I just started seeing that I'm getting
And his acting
some
was
money
dope.
from them reels and shit.
Yeah.
Start picking up.
Oh, the
Look,
monetization.
Mopar Fest.
I got $94.
His acting was
Niggas
found
in
out.
Houston getting to it.
God damn.
See, that's some
That's where we need to be at.
Yes, sir.
I would have rather fucking waited to go to Houston.
Flames.
Yep, GTR.
Damn.
Thought it was a Mopar.
Oh fuck, no, it's a
Look at
Chrysler. I'm tripping, nigga. I'm like, look. Because I thought it was a Mopar Fest. No, it's all type of niggas there. That's what they call it.
Oh, okay. We do. They just don't like us. But why? I don't know. That's the thing. They don't like us.
The crowd is there. They just don't like us.
Who don't like you?
A whole bunch of people in Fort Smith. Like, everybody think like it got to be their car club when they pull up somewhere and can't nobody else pull up nowhere.
Right.
Like,
If you think about it, most of the niggas y'all shit boxes.
It is.
Hey, bro, let's get.
no, like no hate
no.
shit. No, you no hate shit. Is it because you want to say some fuck like niggas always want to say fuck shit like, oh, well, I don't want to pay no $800 car note, nigga. Maybe because you can't. Like, like first of all, people gotta get out of this. Yeah, people gotta get out of this whole. I don't want to be in debt, right? Well, what money is debt? You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't really matter. So. I don't want to drive a fucking car that's a 2002. It barely run. I don't know if I'm wake up and no one turn on today. I go give me a 21, pay on it, do it. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't.
Have you looking at me at every street
If
like?
I got tomorrow, I better be fucking.
You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, I'd rather be happy.
And then it's like, at the end of the day, it's like, people want the bare minimum, right? They're like, why do you want to pay this much in rent? Why do you want to pay, bro?
That much on the car.
Yeah,
Right.
like,
I told
so if you want to live a bare minimum, just get your bare minimum ass over there. Over here, nigga, we doing big shit. This litsociety here. Yeah, I'm just saying, hey, bare minimum ass over there.
I told this
You can't hang around, don't be around.
He
Shit,
got a
that's all I'm
badass car,
saying.
right? He's got a badass car. So bring your car, man. Come on, man. He's like, no, I don't want to put no miles on it.
Car alone for miles.
I bought a car I don't want to drive.
Like, man, you know what I mean? I don't know who that dude is. You know what I mean? Right. I'm not gonna mention names. He's standing there, man.
He said, I ain't gonna mention no names. He's standing kind of close by, you know?
He might have heard me.
Wait, who is it?
No, I don't know. I don't know, man. I didn't say nothing.
Either one.
I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, Mike didn't say nothing.
I didn't mention no names.
But no, that's true though. And then when like
That's like getting married and don't fuck your wife.
yeah, saving her for who? Because once you die, it's over with. She got shit.
So
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I be seeing cars online. You know, I be like just like houses. You know, I be looking at houses I can't afford, cars I can't afford. I be seeing like 2018s with like 4,000 miles. I'm like, when I get this motherfucker, I'm a rapist. That motherfucker gonna have 40 by the end of the month, bro.
Hey, what was talking about the other day?
What? On what part?
The lounge shit.
Oh, bro, right.
You want to race a football on 10 speed? 85.
They always want to race Hellcats.
Like what?
No, I'm the one that told him.
Boom, knuckle sandwich.
Huh?
It's coming.
Because he said they're racing
I'm just waiting.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Send the nigga home on a good night.
He'll be in Dallas tomorrow, probably, like always.
Nah, I'm going down Sunday.
This dude's always in Dallas.
Yeah, I'm going down.
But you got a crib there.
Yeah. I'll be I'm be here tomorrow. Today, balling tomorrow. Like I can run them, but unless they run us out, I'll race them going back to Post Flip. They can turn around and come back. Right. After this, I'm trying to go eat somewhere. And then I'm trying to go eat.
That track hawk brings so much attention. But it's Sydney.
All in cruise night is always crazy.
Somebody about to rape my track off.
Right, yeah.
We're right on Dixie.
I'm gonna stop by Flomo.
Yeah, we're literally. You got issues.
Hey, go follow my dog. Hey, King Lee
Don't
underscore
follow me.
AML
Don't follow me. Stay away from me.
on Instagram.
Follow. No. Bitch, you gonna get took. Don't,
Hey,
just
you-
don't put that on there, cause my girl see this, she gonna beat the shit out of me. Shut that shit up. Sam who? How many are there?
A lot.
They just multiply some
A
shit?
lot.
A lot. There's
A
a
lot.
It's like the bowls.
Five.
The makers.
Williams. Johnson's.
Nah, nigga, like
Jackson's.
non-maker, my tour maker, all these makers.
I was
Shit.
gonna do that nigga like they did Jay Jones. Hacked. Sorry, y'all. My account got taken
You would have
down.
been seeing me on Facebook reposting the hell out of it. Ah, Diana, you see Sydney in this?
Shut up. Cut the camera, dog.
He's too loyal. He would never.
No. Yeah, facts.
Loyal man right here.
Faithful Black Man Association. Faithful. Yep. Quote unquote.
What you mean, quote unquote, nigga?
Oh, you faithful. Whoa. What? Or did he park somewhere else?
He's got to be parked somewhere else. There's no way he left. Because we seen the shit. Oh, that's on. The one from there.
So you never checked Snapchat? I'm trying to show Aiden your car.
Yeah, will you turn your lights on so I can see it? He won't show it to me about this cat eye thing.
Yeah.
That bitch almost took your leg out. Bro, it's close. Just like... That's hard as fuck. Can't do nothing but respect you.
That's hard.
Yeah. I approve of this one.
That's
a lot.
hard.
Cosign, because that's some real nigga shit.
That's hard. And he got the red paddle shift. It came like that. Yeah. I just want to show him the paddle shift out. I try not to touch it. I don't wipe his car down every 13 minutes.
Sound about right.
Yeah.
You know, with all them people missing in Fort Smith, you got to keep your fingerprints clean.
That's hard. Never. Oh, I got to introduce Car. This is On. What's your last name?
Ning Ning.
I like the On Ning Ning.
Wing. You know, like all love.
Wing.
Like
Winner. With red guts on a 2018 Corvette Stingray. He just got some work done. I ain't gonna put it in the video. I'm gonna let him tell y'all about that. Cause On got a YouTube channel. What's it called?
Ling Ling. ATG Garage.
ATG Garage. ATG Garage. Y'all go subscribe. Hey, On got some work done. Red, it's clean. The red interior is so hard. He got the red paddle shift that came standard on the car. And then, you know, On doing a lot of cosmetic stuff, a lot of real. He's taking his time. That's what I like. And my favorite part. Oh, hit the lights for me. Yeah, there they go. He hit the lights for me real quick. If you can't tell, this top part is tinted. Well, not tinted, it's wrapped over to give it like a cat eye effect. And that's so clean. That's one thing I am gonna do to my car. That's so clean. And he got the Z06 splitter on here. And he got the cameras. Hard body. He just need to get the cut it.
send nudes. I'll put with that.
I like those seats. I like the seats.
Oh, the bucket seats.
Those brawn.
I know he be gassing though. I see the cookie screen.
I just said that. Yo, bags. Yep. I don't know what year it is though. I don't know dude like that.
You could just ask him.
Well, I don't know which one he is. I think
I would think it's the nigga sitting on it.
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah, it's the nigga that's sitting on it.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Want me to take my shirt off? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not. Man, what gay shit you on right now, man?
I don't know dude like that, y'all. He seemed pretty cool. You can't have a GTR and not be cool.
Yeah.
You know? Hey, you doing something right.
I like that prelude.
I like that GTR.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Bro.
Keep doing you.
I'll just keep snapping pictures. That black too. Especially when it's clean. Especially when it's
It's a
clean.
little dirty.
It's cool. It's a GTR. What year is it?
Like on? Like just a running light?
What year is it? 9. Bro, that's the thing about GTRs. They done kept the same body style for so fucking long. Yeah. Like that's the R35. Right, a R35, a 2009 R35 looked the same as a fucking 2019 R35. That's so crazy to me. And they've been that clean since 2009. That's the crazy part. Boy, them
Nigga finna drop the mask. Oh, no.
them Japanese people be going crazy.
This nigga was finna drop with a mask on.
Backwards. Or if he went forward, that door is done. Oh, that's clean. That's hard.
You would just name it Godzilla?
Godzilla. Or Panda. Get a white one with black accents, Panda. That's what I'd like to do. Well, no, I ain't gonna lie. All my cars gotta have like monster names because the Z06 is Dracula. This is a Sleepo video and I done turned it into mine.
Hey, bro,
Just send me the footage, you hear me? Oh, there goes Sleepo right there. Hey, Sleepo, this turned into my video. Is this going on Lit Society channel?
Both of all three. Niggas got about 4 videos out of this.
Facts.
That's a
8. Oh, no, it's
no. I know, they all look the same.
That's what I was telling them in the video. I said in 2009 looked the same as a 2019.
Nah, fact.
And I said,
I was looking for 09.
They still like 60 grand.
I ain't gonna lie, they over there.
Some of them are, yeah. I was telling in the video.
You're over 60?
Yeah. Them GTRs are expensive, dog. Back in 2009, that car cost $115, $120. It's an all-wheel drive, twin turbo V6. It's fast. It's fast. It's fuck. Those cars are fast.
Why Lil Uzi talk about this shit so much.
I mean, why'd you pay so much for your Nissan? You got your GTR. That's crazy. And Sleepo, I was telling them, I was like, I said the even crazier part that I just realized when I was saying it, I'm like, that car has been that clean for over 10 years. Like, even though it ain't just been the same body style, it's been that clean, like 10 plus years. 10 plus years. That's hard. That's hard. That's crazy. That's crazy. I should have had a photographer come up here. Oh yeah, I tried. He had to just getting a haircut.
Really?
You get that's a slap on the. That's a Marco. Dang. Had to get a haircut. It's it.
What you whipping?
On my jailbreak hellcat, it got towed though. I was going 150 on the highway, so he took my license away.
For real? Damn.
I'll get it back in like 2 years.
My car be at JP's. I saw this up there. I think it was last year. When it? Oh, this motherfucker hard. What you get done to it if you don't mind me asking?
It's just headers and intake.
Hell yeah. What you add to the wheel?
Oh, I did.
I got you. Hey, but this motherfucker hard, dog. This shit is hard. Yeah. I gotta get that shit.
Pay the cost to be the boss. Always been my dream to buy a foreign car and loaf and go get the green. The only thing that I was taught. Friends ain't what they seem. I keep my back against the wall. You gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Always been my dream to buy a foreign car and loaf and go get the green. The only thing that I was taught. Friends ain't what they seem. I keep my back against the wall.
The rap pack is like from the 80s, the old. This used to be what the rap pack was considered.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I had brain surgery in 2010, and I grew up around hot rods my whole entire life. And I couldn't remember, so I figured out that story.
Yeah.
Oh man. What's up with all the hot rods around there? Huh? Was there like a car show around there?
No, we just chilling.
Oh yeah.
Where the hoes at?
Oh, you say that because Otto was walking out.
I was just playing.
I look around and that's all I see.
I was playing. Cut that part out though.
Hey, he's the editor, I'm pretty sure.
Hey, can I get some of that drink? She's trying to lock the door before she get in.
Go hungry.
Oh, I see.
Oh, listen to the Shit, we could've, bro. Hey, we could've just said fuck him. Hey, I'm dead. Y'all. Shit, what y'all doing? Okay, let's go. What's y'all want? Come on, what, we leaving, bro? Huh? No, we parked right here. Yeah, come on, bro. How many is one?
Straight don't give a fuck. Straight said I'm gonna get the
Number one. Number one.
Oh damn! I thought they were handicap
Because I'm the
slides.
fastest. Number one. That's why.
So you got the fastest car?
Not fast in the hellcat. These guys.
This lineup is crazy.
Hardest lineup in Northwest Arkansas.
Bro, why do I keep working
I came here with Wally.
Elders, Gary, DP,
We're like half this restaurant. Okay.
come to the VIP session. I mean, I thought yours ain't bigger than mine.
Speedo and cheese used to buzz. Yeah. I was like, damn.
Still good.
Yeah.
Still good. Still good.
I thought we was gonna have to no, I got this on my mind.
Hey.
No.
You got scared as fuck.
No, I respect the car.
I respect. I'm admiring it. Hey, I'm admiring it.
Man, he was looking at looked like he was looking at the place though.
I know.
Like,
Oh shit, there's a car.
Hey, bro, what's the next move, bro? It's cold.
shit, on the
highway.
Sir.
I respect it.
What's the channel? What's the channel?
I'm running.
What's the channel? Wow, you're
He told me he has an
boy.
armory. Bill saying day one.
No, Fortress.
You said what?
Day one.
And what's the channel, bro? I want to subscribe to my boy SLEEPO. Sir.
Hey, Sleepo. He said he wants to subscribe. What's the channel?
KIINGSLEEPO with 2 eyes.
Yes, sir.
You gotta know it, baby.
Hey, what grade you in?
Back to the fort?
Hey, go tell all your friends, make your whole class. I'm talking about every class you go to. Hey, take their phone and subscribe. Tell them watch
Go on the
I do that too.
I got you.
Hey, yeah. Hey, everybody that's in school, man.
YouTube on the school computer.
Yeah, make sure you go, all your friends, tell them subscribe.
Yeah, follow, subscribe, baby.
Sir.
Follow, like, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Make sure to comment
Yes,
too.
sir.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, here, take it.
Create a YouTube account with your school email.
I don't know you was ever there. Make sure all your people subscribe at school and everything. Giveaways, cash money giveaways, and all that coming up.
Sir.
And the video.
I'm gonna give out probably like $1,000.
Sir.
Ruby 10 on 8.
Yeah, bro. It's cold.
I'm shaking out here.
Yeah, we got actors though.
Y'all ready?
You?
We got actors. What? Oh, the gray one?
Not you.
I know. You talking about the tall motherfucker?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.